pleasant good afternoon to my team members, colleagues, our lecturer, and specially invited guests to our micro teaching activity. Our group members are Onella Brown, Tashana Coley, Sashoy Davidson, and yours truly, Albert Stevens. School is VDTI Hartrust NSTA. The course is Principles of Teaching and Learning, ED 501. Please be engaged.
Good day, everyone. How are we feeling today? Why am I not seeing your bright faces online? What's going on? Where is everyone? I'm only seeing Onella. Hi. How was your weekend, Onella?
Hi, Miss. My weekend was good. It was lovely. I had a lot of fun over the weekend.
Good, good. I'm glad to hear you had some fun. I'm seeing Tash now. Hi, Tash. What did you learn this weekend?
Miss, I learned to swim over the weekend.
Okay. Oh, here's Albert, late as usual. I see you. How are you today, Albert?
Morning, miss. Sorry to be late, miss, but I had to try to go with them. That's why I'm late. All right.
All right, guys. So today we're going to focus on recognizing statements of facts and opinions. Or objectives will be one, to define the term statement of fact and opinion in your own words. Two, differentiate between a fact and an opinion statement and write examples of each. And three, participate in all class activities. I want to see 100% participation, no excuses, okay? All right, so before we dive into the topic, let's do a fun activity. I found this in an article named 10 Ideas for Teaching Fact and Opinion. It was posted on the Minds in Bloom webpage. All right, what I want each student to do is get 2 blank sheets of paper. On one, I want you to write fact, and on the other, I want you to write the word opinion. Ready? Okay, now I'm going to read a statement and you are going to hold up the sheet that says fact if you think it's a fact, or you hold up the sheet that says opinion. Okay, so the first statement, it says some fungi can create a zombie effect by controlling minds. What do you think? Fact or opinion? Let's see those sheets. Go.
Miss. Facts. Facts, miss.
Opinion.
Opinion, miss.
Yes.
Facts.
Wow. Some different answers here. Anela, why did you think the statement was an opinion?
Well, Miss, the reason why I chose opinion because everybody knows that zombie not real. Zombie not real. You only see zombie in a show. So that's why I chose opinion.
I see your point. I too thought it was an opinion at first. However, it's a fact. So some tropical fungus called the Ophiocordyceps. Google it, please. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it right. Ophiocordyceps, which has that effect on ants. So it goes into the ant's central nervous system, and after the 9th day, it takes over total, complete control. Can you believe it? Yeah. All right. So, second statement. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. What do you guys think? Fact or opinion?
Miss. It is an opinion.
Opinion. Yes, I believe that one is an opinion, miss.
Yes.
All right, I'm seeing some answers going up. Okay. All right, well, yes, this one is an opinion by the late great Aristotle. So you guys got that one right. All right, third statement. Turkeys can blush. Believe it. Do you believe it? Let me see. Fact or opinion? All right, well, believe it or not, this statement is a fact. When a turkey gets scared or excited, the pale skin on the top of the head and to the back of the neck can turn bright red. If you don't believe me, Google it. All right, guys, so that was just a little icebreaker to give you guys an idea of what we will be jumping into.
Miss, I
Miss,
believe that
facts,
is an
miss.
opinion. Yes, I believe that is an opinion, miss.
Facts, miss. Facts.
Hi, students. How are you all doing?
Fine, miss.
And
All
miss.
right, good. All right. I don't know why no one else don't want to turn on their video. I'm only seeing Tashana's face and I'm only seeing Albert's face. But as you all know, we're going to be looking at statements of facts and statements of opinion. So I have a video here and I'm going to play the video. I want you to look for some key definition though, right? When you're watching the video, try to identify what a statement of fact is and what a statement of opinion is, right? So you're going to grab your pencils, grab your pen, and you're going to do some jotting, right, students?
Yes, miss.
All right, so just
Okay,
watch
miss.
this video. Okay, so you're going to watch this video and you're going to pay keen attention to those terms. All right?
Fact and Opinion at Grammar Songs by Melissa. What is the difference between a fact and an opinion? More importantly, how can understanding fact and opinion help me when I listen and when I read? Let's get started. A fact is a statement that is known or proven to be true. An opinion is a statement of belief or judgment about something. Statement, judgment. That may sound confusing, so let me explain. A fact is a statement that is known or proven to be true. For example, Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States of America would be considered a fact. You could look up the information in a book or encyclopedia in your local library, or use online resources to prove the statement to be true. An opinion is a statement of belief or judgment about something. Little Fufu is the cutest dog in the whole world is an example of an opinion. Little Fufu's owner might think so, but other people would have different opinions. I think Patch is cuter. There is no amount of research that can be done to prove a particular dog is the cutest in the whole world. Since it can't be proven, it is an opinion. So an opinion expresses what you think, feel, or believe. Yes. And a fact can be proven with research. A fact can be proven to be true. Sometimes it takes research, but often the proof is quite simple. For example, if I say pizza is the most delicious food, it would be an opinion. Many people would disagree and have their own opinions. There is no way to prove pizza is the most delicious food to be true. But if I say Pedro's favorite food is pizza, I would be stating a fact. I wouldn't need to go to the library or use online sources. I could just ask Pedro, and I could prove this statement to be true. What is your favorite food, Pedro? Pizza. When you're listening or reading, there are a number of signal words that can help you recognize a statement that might be an opinion. Oh no! How will we ever learn them all? Don't worry, I don't think any one person knows every signal word. Becoming familiar with signal words is simply another tool you can use to help you identify when a statement is an opinion. For example, our earlier sentence, "Pizza is the most delicious food," contains the signal word most. The important thing is to remember that a fact is a statement proven to be true, and an opinion is a statement of belief or judgment about something. We use facts and opinions every day in real life without ever thinking about it. Everything in the store is 50% off. This is an amazing bargain. This bathroom smells funny. Someone forgot to flush the toilet. The water is too cold. The water is exactly 64 degrees Fahrenheit. I think he is the best singer. He started singing when he was only 3 years old. Using careful observations or measurements can help identify a fact. For example, percentages and specific measurements like temperatures and ages can be clues that a statement might be a fact. Oh, and don't discount those careful observations where there is undeniable, physical evidence or proof. Opinions often have adjectives, adverbs, and other signal words to help you identify them. And although facts are important, opinions are important too. Without opinions, we would all think, believe, and feel exactly the same way about everything all of the time. So facts are important because they help us communicate information in a way everyone can understand. Very good. And opinions help us express our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So then watch the video now. All right, students. So was the video interesting?
Yes, miss. Love it.
All right, beautiful.
Yes, miss.
Now, remember, I'm going to randomly ask persons what a statement of fact is and what a statement of opinion. So it goes to show if you were paying attention and if you took notes. So at this time, I'm going to ask Albert. Albert,
Yes,
what
miss.
is an opinion based on the video? What do you think an opinion is based on the video?
An opinion is just a personal belief. Just one person's point of view of something. That's what I got
All
from the video.
right. Beautiful, Albert. Tashana, what about you? What do you think a fact is based on what you watched in the video?
Miss, well, based on what I saw in the video, a fact is something that is true. It can be proven through research. So when you do
Okay.
research, it will show that, yes, that is a fact.
All right, both of you students are indeed correct. Now, according to Lakehead University 2020, a fact refers to something that is true, and it also refers to something that is real. And you have to back it up with documents and evidence, right? While an opinion is based on your personal beliefs, right? It's what you believe. Now, in the video, you would have noticed that they talk about the pizza, and they said that pizza is the most delicious food in the world. Do you think that is facts or opinion? What do you think?
Miss, I believe that is an opinion.
Beautiful, Tashana. You are indeed correct, because that is a person's personal belief, right? Now, the
Yes,
other
miss.
point that they raised is Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of the United States of America. Do you think that was factual, or was it an opinion?
It's a fact, miss.
Beautiful, yes, because they even give you the year, they tell you the time, they have evidence, they have proof. So now you know. So now you know the difference between a fact and opinion, right, students?
Yes, miss.
Yes. All right. Okay, class. So based on the groups that you were in your last project, I'm going to ask you to divide into those groups. So we should have 4 groups in the class today. What we're going to do in our groups is to come up with 2 scenarios per group. one of the scenarios should be a scenario of fact, and one scenario should be a scenario of an opinion. And I want these scenarios to be interactive scenarios, right? After you have come up with your scenarios, you're going to present it to the class in your group, and then you will throw to the class which of the scenario was a fact and which is an opinion. I will guide you throughout your group presentations, and I will guide you, and I will come into each group to make sure that what you're doing is on point with what I'm requesting. Okay, class? So you don't have to worry.
Okay, miss.
So divide into your 4 groups now, guys.
All right, miss.
Albert, so all right, let us work this out in our group because we have to do good, you know. No, for facts, we can say that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, or the current Prime Minister of Jamaica, is the most Honorable Andrew Holness.
No, sir, no, sir. Ever since the election video, you see him again. I can't promise that.
But me not understand. Look here, according to JIS 2020,
What
he
JIS?
is the last Prime Minister of Jamaica. He is the current, rather, Prime Minister of Jamaica.
Jamaica Information Service.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Let me just quickly Google that.
All right.
Guys, how are you coming along in your group?
We are doing good, miss. Albert, come up with
Yeah,
something.
man. I really think, man. Although I PM people vote for still, but anyway.
You can't vote anyways. Come on, give me something.
All right.
Give me one.
All right. So that was a fact. I'm the most handsome guy in the world.
That's an opinion. Trust me.
No, you can't give that. You can't do that.
That's not a fact.
It is a
How
fact.
is that fact? How is that factual?
Because Mr. And ask the president.
That Albert, that is your opinion. Anyways, Miss said that time is up now. So let us go back. Miss,
Still
we
listen.
are ready.
Alright.
See the other
Alright,
group, the other
class.
group them ready.
I believe everybody has come up with their facts and opinions. So, what you're going to do, remember, you're supposed to be demonstrating. So it's supposed to be interactive. So we are going to start with group 1 and see what they came up with.
Okay, so I'm going to ask a question and I'm going to ask the general class to answer me. Can you tell me if this is factual or is it an opinion? So, the current Prime Minister of Jamaica is the most Honorable Andrew Holness, according to Jamaica Information Services 2020. Scene 1. Albert, do you know who the current Prime Minister of Jamaica is?
I don't believe politics. Bonda. No,
The current Prime Minister of Jamaica is the most Honorable Andrew Holness.
You talking about Andrew Michael Holness? No, sir. Ever since the election, we don't see him again. So I can't
According to Jamaica Information Service 2020, he is the current Prime Minister of Jamaica.
Let me Google it.
Everything on the Google.
Oh, for real. Politician.
Okay. Scene 2.
Onella, I'm the most handsome man in the entire world.
I don't believe that.
You
You
can't tell
can't
me
tell me
that.
that.
All I
All I
What you
girl
mean
girl
I
them
can't?
say
say
that.
that.
What you mean I can't tell you that? What you mean you are the most handsome man in the world? What do you mean? That is your belief.
Show
Show
up to the
up to the
girl
girl
them.
them.
I don't want to get into that, Albert. Miss,
We are
We are
call
call
Miss
Miss
Fa.
Fa.
Even
Even
Miss
Miss
Miss,
set
set
the
the
answer.
we
answer.
are finished. We are finished.
No, we
No, we
can't
can't
finish.
finish.
No,
No,
yeah.
yeah.
Ask the class. Okay, great job, group one. So now you are going to ask the class which of the scenes or which of the scenarios they believe is a fact and which they believe is an opinion. Okay, so great job to all the groups this evening. Wonderful elaboration of facts and opinions. So now we are going to go on to the next segment of the lesson.
All right. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to extend on this idea about facts and opinions. Let's take, for example, if I say it's 30 degrees outside. Now, that information is objective, meaning it's based on data and observation. I could actually use my phone to determine if the temperature outside is actually 30 degrees. You could also use a thermometer to verify that. Now, if I say 30 degrees Celsius is very hot, we would say it's an opinion. All right? Now, 30 degrees to some persons may not be hot, while some person might find it just a moderate temperature. So basically, an opinion is an unverifiable sort of way of finding information. All right? And also, an opinion is subjective, meaning that it will change according to a person's judgment. As opposed to a fact, it is verifiable, meaning we can test it. And also, it is objective, meaning that there are no feelings, there is no emotion, nor prejudice. Another example is that if I say my car payment is $40,000 per month, is that a fact or opinion? Now, I want you guys to think deeply. My car payment is $40,000 per month. Ask yourself these questions. Can this statement be proven? Can the statement be observed in practice, in operation? Can the statement be verified by witnesses? All right, and I can tell you that if I say my car payment is $40,000 per month, in fact, it is a fact. All right. Now, if I say my car payments are too expensive, as you can see, that statement is unverifiable and it's also what? Subjective. Now, according to Montgomery College, an opinion is a statement that expresses a writer's feeling, attitude, or beliefs. They are neither true or false. It's one person's view about a topic. And I hope this will give you more insight on what facts and opinions are. I thank you
Yes,
so much.
sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Guess what time it is? It's my favorite time of the day. It's assessment time. You guys ready? Ready? Ready for the assessment? No? I see Tasha's face looking quite excited. I see you. All right. So, what I want you guys to do is check the chat for me, please. And I have sent a link to a short worksheet. It just has 10 questions. I have set the time to expire in 15 minutes. So, as soon as it expires, or if you're finished, just submit and return to the session. I will go over them and provide feedback at the starting of next class. Okay, guys? All right. Good luck.
Okay,
Yes,
Miss.
miss. Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
miss. Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Ready,
Ready,
feet.
feet.
Finish. All right. All right, let me do the last part now.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay, students, today was a wonderful class. And what I'm going to ask each student to do when they go home, I want them to do some additional reading on statements of facts and opinion. So you're going to go to your seventh grade English book, English Matters for Jamaica, and you are going to read up on facts and opinion. Just some additional reading to get a better understanding of what was discussed. And for our next class, we're going to be talking about part of speech. Also, I'm going to ask you to read those pages in your English book. It's very important because I want when you come to class next week, we have a idea of what we are going to discuss. Okay, everybody?
Okay,
Okay,
miss.
Yes,
Yes,
students?
miss.
miss.
All right, so you have two readings to do. You have to brush up a little bit on facts and opinion, and you're going to get yourself ready and prepare for the other lesson that we're going to teach next week, which is part of speech. I want to thank everybody for coming to class today. We had a wonderful time, didn't we?
Yes,
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 miss.
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 All right, nice. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next class.
Same to
Same
you,
to you,
Bye,
miss.
miss.
Okay,
everyone.
miss.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
one. Albert, do you know who the current Prime Minister of Jamaica is?
Oh,
Oh,
so
so
I'm
I'm
really
really
follow politics,
politics,
you know. They
They
think
think na really
on
on
my
my
thing,
thing, you know.
Really?
They
They
think
think
I'm
na
Babylon
Babylon
thing.
thing.
The current Prime Minister is the most honorable Andrew Holness.
Well,
Wala,
Andrew, no,
no,
sir.
sir.
The other
The
day,
other day,
since
since
the
the
election, I
election,
want to
want
see
to
him
see him
again.
again.
Just
Just
like the
like the
politician.
politician.
Can't
Can't
Prime
Prime
Minister
Minister
that.
that.
Well, according to JIS Jamaica Information Service 2020, he is the current Prime Minister of Jamaica.
You know
You know
what?
what?
Let me
Let me
Google
Google
it.
it.
You know, have to
Really,
Google
Really,
it.
I
I
don't
won't
really
really
dig
dig
him
him
still,
still,
but
but
I
I
really
really
think.
think.
Yes. All right. So, Albert, over to you.
All right.
All right.
Scene two.
All
All
right.
right.
Hold
Hold
on.
on.
Three,
Three,
two,
two,
one.
one.